Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep, steady breath in through your nose. And a slow, complete exhale through your mouth. Feel your body soften with each breath. Your shoulders melt downward. Your jaw unclenches. Your heart becomes open and receptive. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Imagine each inhale as stability, safety, trust, and each exhale as release, letting go of tension, worry, and fear. Notice any financial fear or anxiety that has been weighing on you. See it gathering inside your body like a thick, heavy smoke. It may rest in your chest, your stomach, your throat, wherever it lives. Simply notice it. With every exhale, allow that smoke to drift out of you. See it leaving through your breath, through the pores of your skin, dissolving into the air around you. With each release, you feel lighter, freer, more open. Now, imagine above you a warm golden light. This light is the vibration of abundance, safety, and prosperity. With each inhale, invite this golden light to pour into you, filling every space that fear has left behind. Feel this golden energy moving into your chest, expanding into your heart, into your belly, into your arms, legs, and all the way down into your feet. It radiates through you, glowing from within, until you are completely filled with golden light. Your body now vibrates with peace, safety, and trust in life's infinite abundance. Repeat gently in your mind or whisper softly, "I release fear. I am safe. I trust the flow of money and abundance in my life." Breathe this truth in deeply. And as you exhale, know that the old scarcity vibration is gone. Only light, trust, and openness remain. Stay here for a few moments, simply breathing, glowing, trusting. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one final deep breath in and exhale fully, releasing the last remnants of fear. Open your eyes gently. Carry this golden light with you throughout your day, knowing you are supported, safe, and abundant.